Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tushar from Canada PR Info. In this video, I am going to tell you about the SINP NOC trend analysis. I will tell you about the list of occupations in demand for SINP Express entry stream and which NOC code should you select to receive the ITA from SINP. Okay, so let's begin. Now, this SINP NOC trend analysis is based on the recent draws for the SINP Express entry category, and these draws were held in the year 2020 from January to August, and the total NOC codes are 162, and all NOC codes are divided into various groups based on its probability, which is calculated using the previous trend of NOC inclusion. Okay, so there are 13 NOC codes which are consistently selected in every draw of SINP in the year 2020, and the NOC codes are as follows. It is NOC 0013, NOC 0111, NOC 0112, NOC 0121, NOC 0821, NOC 1114. So these are the 6 NOC codes, and other 7 NOC codes which are regularly included in every draw of SINP are as follows. It is NOC 1121, NOC 1215, NOC 1225, NOC 2263, NOC 2234, and NOC 3211. Okay, so if your NOC code is among from these 13 NOC codes, then I would like to say that you have selected the perfect NOC code. And if your roles and responsibilities or main duties are matching with any of these 13 NOC codes, then I advise that you should pause this video quickly and open SINP OS's portal and change the NOC code. Okay, so you will be invited anytime soon if you meet the other requirements. Now let's talk about the NOC codes who have 86% probability to be included in the upcoming draws of SINP. So there are total 12 NOC codes. It is NOC 0113, NOC 1223, NOC 0421, NOC 0714, NOC 0912, and NOC 0711. And other 6 NOC codes are as follows. It is NOC 2242, NOC 2264, NOC 3212, NOC 3219, NOC 3234, and NOC 7246. So if your NOC code is among from this list, then no need to change it. These NOC codes are included in almost every draws. They are hardly excluded in one of the draws. So there is an excellent possibility to get ITA from SINP if your NOC code is from this list. Okay, now let's talk about the NOC codes who have 71% chances to be included in the upcoming draws. Again, there are 12 NOC codes. It is NOC 0213, NOC 1212, NOC 0423, NOC 1221, NOC 1241. And other NOC codes are as follows. NOC 2134, NOC 2148, NOC 4021, NOC 4212, NOC 4152, and NOC 6321. So if your NOC code is among from this list, then I advise that you do not need to change it, because these NOC codes are included in the almost every draws except 2 draws. So there is a good possibility that you will receive the ITA from SINP if you meet the other requirements. Now this is the list of NOC codes who have 57% probability to be included in the upcoming draws of SINP as per the statistics of previous draws. So there are total 24 NOC codes in this list. So it is NOC 0114, NOC 0122, NOC 0125, NOC 0651, NOC 0621, NOC 0601, NOC 1211, NOC 1242, NOC 1243, NOC 2253, and NOC 2281. And this is the list of remaining 12 NOC codes. Okay, so if your NOC code is from this list, then there is a possibility that you will receive the ITA from SINP, because these NOC codes are included in the previous draws except 3 draws. Okay, now this is the list of NOC codes who have 43% probability to be selected in the upcoming draws as per the statistics of previous draws of SINP. So there are total 27 NOC codes in this list. So if your NOC code is among from this list, then you may need to wait for the SINP ITA until SINP will start picking up these NOC codes regularly, because these NOC codes are not included frequently as per the statistics. However, this trend can be changed at any time. Similarly, this is the list of NOC codes who have 29% probability to be selected in the upcoming draws. So there are total 23 NOC codes in this list. Okay, and in addition, this is the list of NOC codes who have 14% probability. So there are total 32 NOC codes in this list. So if your NOC code is in this list of less than 30% probability, it means that there is a less chance to get invitation with this NOC code as per the recent trend of SINP draws. So guys, now you have two options. The option number 1 is that you can change your NOC code which is having higher probability for the selection in the upcoming draws, if it matches with your main duties and education or employment requirements. And if option 1 is not possible, then option 2 is that you will have to wait for some time until SINP will start choosing these NOC codes. So friends, you should not demotivate if your NOC code is not in demand currently. This trend can be changed at any time. Okay, these NOC codes have 0% probability to be selected in the upcoming draws. However, these NOCs were included in the draws of the year 2019, but in 2020 it was not included yet in the SINP Express entry category. But as I said, you should not demotivate. This trend can be changed at any time. Okay, I know that I am speaking this sentence third time because the objective of this video is to give you the idea about the probability of your NOC code, so you can identify that whether you should change your NOC code or not as per the recent trend. Okay, so now here is the disclaimer for you. This analysis is purely based on the probability of past draws in the year 2020 only. No other factors are included. So friends, choose your NOC code carefully, and to do that you need to carefully review all related NOC codes and decide the best one. So there are several factors which play vital role to choose your NOC code. The number one is that your roles and responsibilities. Number two is your job title. Number three is your education and employment requirements in order to work under that occupation as per NOC 2011 matrix. In addition, you will be able to provide all the relevant documents for the selected NOC code in future if required. However, I have made a one video on how to find your NOC code. So if you wish, you can watch it. In this video, I have explained in detail how to choose the correct NOC code using Canada's official job classification system. Okay, so still if you have any queries regarding your SINP NOC code, you can write it in the comment section below. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Canada PR Info to receive the latest updates and videos about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. And please click on the like button if you like the video. Now, for more information about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, you can watch the following videos.